My name's Kenny Mwenda Kapempe. I'm coming from Bia Zambia, Kitwe Workshop, Industrial Area. I'm the workshop supervisor. BIA deals in heavy equipment machinery, which is specifically commercial machine. BIA sells the machines. They also repair the same machines on site. So in the workshop, we deal with components. So those components which come from the site, when they come in the workshop, we strip them, inspect them, then we quote the customer. After the assemblies, then we send them back to the customer. Is to come and identify new talent, as well as to try and negotiate with the institution to maybe, as agreed on the MOU, to give us best students which can help us develop in the industry. Because we've seen, I'm the product of Notec, so I'm also motivated. I'm from here, and my performance has been outstanding ever since I left this institution. So why not come back and recommend other students who are produced from the institute? So we are, as BIA, we are motivated from the products of Notec, meaning the students who come out from this place. On the heavy equipment and automotive workshop, I think quite a number of things have changed from the time I left this institution. I think previously we depended much on theory, which was about 60%, and practical it was about 40%. But looking at the modern equipment I've seen, I think the students are much on hands-on. So meaning if I were, it should be 50-50, 50% of practical, 50% of theory. So I think quite a number of things have changed, and modern machinery has been procured, which is a plus. So in this case, I think when a student is going out there in the industry, the challenges will be, lessened, because he or she is able to see the components physically. Unlike in the past where we depended much in theory, where we went and saw the actual components, physical components in the industry. What I think is this field is not just for men. I think I would love to encourage women out there to come and see what really happens in the institution, as well as I would love to also encourage the institution to do more of the advertising to show what really they have. Because I remember previously when I was here, we had about 2 ladies in the class, of which they showed, say they can do it. So I could also encourage other ladies out there to come on board to see what Notec offers. I think with the new technology, they can make it. Is to concentrate whenever they go into the industry, and they should also know that in industry we find different kind of people. We have unskilled and skilled people. So what I mean is, whenever they find such kind of people, all they need to do is just to lower themselves, humble themselves. So basically, attitude should be focused on, because you find some students are boasting, say, we are more learned than you, man, what can you tell me? On that one, it takes time for someone to learn. So even the production itself is being affected, because if the attitude of a student is bad, then the reputation from the where he or she is coming from gets spoiled as well. Yeah, I think on that one, yes. Areas where maybe a student goes on industrial break, you need to ensure that those students you are sending out there, they are fully engaged on that industrial period of maybe 8 months or so. I don't know if you've increased or reduced, so that they get more experience. Many are the cases where a student goes on the industrial break, you find, say, he or she stays for 8 months without any practical work related to what he or she learned at Nordic. So you need to put more emphasis on maybe those students being fully involved for the whole 8 months.